The Surefire RAT Access 0100 is a handheld battery-powered Wiegand data and relay tester. When the assessment tool is connected to the output of a Wiegand device, it will display the Wiegand data and the voltage level that is detected on each of the D0 and D1 signal lines. The assessment tool can also output Wiegand data such that a Wiegand input can be tested without the need to connect to a keypad or reader. Additionally, the functionality of a relay can be quickly and easily tested. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Surefire's Retrofit Assessment or RAT tool with the optional wiring harness. To power on the RAT tool, momentarily press the push button. The start screen will appear for several seconds, then will change to the Wiegand test screen. The Surefire app for iOS and Android allows for connecting to the assessment tool via Bluetooth. To download the Surefire app, visit either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Surefire. That's SURE-FI, and download the app to install it. If you are powering up the assessment tool for the first time, you will be required to register the device with Surefire. To register, connect the assessment tool with the Surefire app and then select Register Device. The app will display registration successful, and the assessment tool will then be registered and ready for use. The registration process only has to be done once. To check the Wiegand output of a device, connect the assessment tool D0 in, D1 in, and ground terminals to the D0, D1, and ground connections on the Wiegand output device. Connect the required power to the Wiegand device that is to be tested. Turn on the assessment tool by momentarily pressing the push button. Then, on the Wiegand device, like the keypad reader, present the credential and view the Wiegand information on the assessment tool LCD screen. The assessment tool will display the bit length, the facility code, and the pin code. The voltage of D0 and D1 is displayed on the next screen by momentarily pressing the push button. To check the Wiegand input of a device, connect the assessment tool D0 in, D1 in, and ground terminals to the D0, D1, and ground terminals on the Wiegand device input port. Connect the required power to the Wiegand device that is to be tested. Turn on the assessment tool by momentarily pressing the push button, then using the Surefire app. Send the desired Wiegand data out the Wiegand tester. The Wiegand information that was sent out using the Surefire app will display on the assessment tool LCD screen. The voltage of D0 and D1 is displayed on the next screen by momentarily pressing the push button. To check the functionality of a relay, turn on the assessment tool by momentarily pressing the push button and then pressing the push button twice to enter the relay test screen. Before connecting the assessment tool to the terminals of the relay to be tested, ensure that the relay terminals are not connected to anything else. The assessment tool can only test the functionality of a relay in a dry contact configuration and cannot test the voltage or current capabilities of a relay. Applying a voltage to the Wiegand testers are normally open or are common or are normally closed terminals may cause permanent damage to the tester. Connect the assessment tool are normally open or are common and are normally closed terminals to the relay to be tested. Normally open, common, or normally closed terminals. When the relay to be tested is in the non-energized state, the test screen should show that the relay normally closed terminal is closed, shorted to the relay common terminal, and that the relay normally open terminal is open. When the relay to be tested is in the energized state, the test screen should show that the relay normally open terminal is closed, shorted to the relay common terminal, and that the normally closed terminal is open. Visit surefire.com For pricing and availability, get yours ordered today.